Guten Morgen. Just wanted to show you what a nice little nature trail looks like around these parts. Beautiful time of day. Notice I pay homage to the falcons and hawks in these yonder mountains. Raised desert gardening seems to be the answer from this award-winning ethnobotanist. You too can create an idyllic paradise out of whatever you have, your resources, even out here in the desert. When you raise gardens, it keeps them out of the reach of most predators, and then you have to choose things that the birds, whatnot, aren't interested in. Aloe is my go-to. And I also rescue plants, especially when I go downtown in the city, and make my art gardens in paradise. Thank you. So that's how you turn this insane society into your own private Idaho.